Hi guys, in front of me is Zenfone 9 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select security and lock screen, and here just click on fingerprint. Now provide your screen lock pattern and now place your fingerprint on the sensor. So as you can see, the sensor is located over here. So just place your fingerprint here and wait till it's fully added. So just tap on the sensor and then lift your finger up till all the edges are added. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So just click on done to finish the whole operation. Tap on OK, and from now on you can unlock your phone smoothly with this fingerprint only, or obviously you can use your pattern. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.